Mhelbeth Stable once again. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. And also, if you are new in my channel, you are all very welcome. We know that COVID is still rising. So, Mhelbeth Stable will bring you a very healthy soup that will help boost your immune system and also this aid with weight loss. Okay? So, I call this soup as chicken lentil soup. Guys, lentil is so healthy, a lot of nutrients, vitamins, and a lot of health benefit. Please ask Mr. Google. Kasi baka magagalit na yung aking director kung sasabihin ko lahat ng health benefit nito. Alright? So, here are the ingredients. So, let's start cooking. First, we have to put our 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then, we will add the ginger. Next, garlic. Smells so good. And also the chopped onions. And then we can now put the chicken. Let's saute this until it becomes brownish. Mga mamsis at mga daddies, ito ang lulutuin natin pag mga panahon ng ganito because pagka very low yung ating energy level, napakasarap po nito. Talagang ibubush niya yung ating energy level. So, it's almost brownish. We can add our salt. And also crack some peppers, black peppers. And continue to saute para ma-absorb niya lahat yung pampalasa natin. So guys, nagba-brown na yung ating chicken. Huwag tayong maiinit kasi mas masarap yung medyo tostado yung chicken natin sa ating soup. Oo nga pala guys, don't you know that chickens maintains healthy weight loss at saka control blood pressure, relieves stress, kaya sinabi nila ito masarap to pagka bagong panganak, ganon. And also chicken has a natural antidepressant. Okay, so pagka ganito na po yung ating chicken, we can now add our lentils. As I have said, please ask Mr. Google. Okay, guys? Then we have to stir like this. And also, lower the heat of your stove para hindi siya masunog. And also, here is the mushroom. Ang mushroom ay napaka-healthy rin na vegetables, right? Ito ay nagbo-boost ng immune system. Kung gusto nyo ring malaman ang lahat ng health benefit ng mushroom, you can ask Mr. Google. Okay. Also, we can now add our celery, our carrots, and chopped parsley. Okay? Kung hindi available ang parsley sa inyo, you can put spring onion. Pero, ang parsley is rich in antioxidants. Okay? I-mix up, we'll just mix up this for a little bit just to fry the vegetables and the lentils. Guys, sigurado pag niluto nyo ito, because this is been proven and tested with my friends who got infected with this COVID. I cooked this for them because of course I love them and I want to help, right? And they told me that this really helped to boost their immune system. Kaya guys, lutuin nyo ito. Ang lentils, for your information, is napakamura. Hindi siya mahal. Pero punong-puno ng nutrients. Kaya, pag niluto nyo ito, can you please comment below para naman malaman ko ang feedback, right? So kapag ganyan na guys, we already fried the vegetable and the chicken. We can now add the water. It's up to you if how much water you can put. Just adjust the salt and the black pepper para malasa siya. So, ito I put already 4 cups of water here. I will add more 2 cups para yung aking soup pwede ng meal. Yung mga nagda-diet, hindi na kayo kailangang kumain pa ng rice. Ito lang ang kainin nyo, mabubusog kayo. And then guys, lalagyan ko siya ng isang chicken cube para yung chicken natin mas lalong maglalasa. At saka nga pala guys, kung napapansin nyo, ang aking chicken na ginamit is puro maraming buto-buto. Kasi mas masarap yung maraming buto-buto. Kaya yung isang whole maliit na chicken ko, I removed the chicken breast. So I just got the bony parts like the legs and the bony part ng aking chicken breast. So guys, dadagdagan ko pa siya ng 2 cups of water. Kasi I like really a lot of soup na iniinom. Then, iset nyo yung inyong stove ng high. Pag kumulo na siya, set it to low. Okay? Tatakpan natin and we will wait hanggang kumulo, saka natin ilo-low yung fire. So guys, kumukulo na yung ating soup. We'll just check yung ating lentils. Hindi ito kailangang i-boil ng matagal na matagal. Once na the lentils is already soft, pwede na. Oh, hindi pa. So, let's just boil for about 15 minutes. Lower the heat. Okay guys, after mga 15 minutes, check natin. Siguradong luto na to. Yeah, so malambot na siya. It's up to you if you want it to be more creamy. You can boil longer. Pero ako gusto ko kasi yung may naninibol ako na lentils. Okay, this is good enough. You can adjust the seasoning like salt and pepper. So, eto na po ang ating chicken lentil soup. It's so nutritious, very delicious soup. Thank you all to my subscribers, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified every time